I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Setting up payments on the Etsy app can be a bit tricky, but once you know the steps, it is straightforward. Step 1. Open the Etsy app. Launch the Etsy app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your seller account to access payment settings. Step 2. Go to Shop Manager. Tap on the Shop Manager icon, usually found at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can manage all aspects of your shop, including payments. Step 3. Select Finances. In the Shop Manager, find and select the Finances option. This section will allow you to set up and manage your payment methods. Step 4. Set up payment methods. Choose payment settings and then select your preferred payment methods. You can opt for Etsy payments, which allows buyers to pay through various methods. Step 5. Verify your information. Finally, ensure that all your bank account and personal information is accurate. Double check the routing number or account number to avoid any issues with deposits. Sometimes, users forget to check their email for verification messages, which can delay the setup process. Make sure to look for any emails from Etsy after you submit your information. I hope this helps you set up your payments smoothly. Happy selling!